Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about store-specific product content enhancement. In this release, we have included the ability for the store admin to overwrite product content. Let's have a look at the admin. So first of all, as you can see over here in the admin, we have a product letterhead in which we have selected user type as the default store and all private stores. We set all action buttons here for the default store and all the content as well, as you can see on the product front page here. To give store-specific product content and settings, we have introduced this feature. Now, we will go to the store management. Click on Stores, and here you can see all your stores. You have to log into your store by clicking on the action, Log in as a store. So, as you can see after login into the store, under the Products section, we have some products assigned under this store. Here we have added an action menu button for all the products. So the admin can edit the product, modify the product description, and can make changes in product settings. Let's take a product letterhead. When we go to the Edit section, here we have the facility to modify sort, products type, and display at the home page section. Here, we have selected store-specific action buttons, product type, browse design, quote product, and hire a designer. The same you can verify at the front store. While on the default store, we have all the action buttons. Similarly, for the description, we can add the store-specific images and description as you can see here, including browse and upload design pages. We have uploaded different small and large images with separate description details. Now at the front end, it will show you the store-specific contents. Also, there are a few store-based settings given for products, where they can enable promotional text on product titles, and they can choose default or store-specific. Similarly, there are a few more settings with default and store-specific options, as you see over here. We have allowed store admin to change product-wise label personalization. They can just make the changes and save it. So that was all in store-specific product feature enhancement. Thank you for watching this video. In case of any further queries, feel free to connect with us.